In this video, I will show with you how you can download your Turkish Airline ticket. First, guys, when you make a purchase for your ticket, check your email inbox. From this email inbox, you can see your flight ticket and then check your spam here, guys. From the spam, you can use and you can get your ticket and then you can download your ticket as a PDF. If this not work this method, guys, you can use your ticket official Turkish Airline. Go to manage. From this manage check-in option, write your ticket number and write your passenger surname, and then you can check your state and you can download your ticket from this option, from check-in option. And you can use also the flight state, guys. You can check your enter your ticket number and check your flight state, and you can download your ticket from here. The last method, guys, you can use the app. Use this app, download Turkish Airline app and go to flight my flights. If you have any ticket, you will see on here your ticket. So guys, you will see your ticket here and you can download on my flight. You can use three method, guys. Just check your email here, check inbox and check spam to download your ticket. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.